Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize mediation services with mediate.com, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize mediation services with mediate.com, start by visiting the website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into your account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Utilize the search functionality to find relevant resources and articles. Select the Mediators section to view profiles and specialties. Consider listing your mediation services by clicking on the Join Our Team option. Provide detailed information about your practice, including your areas of expertise. Upload a professional profile picture to enhance your visibility. Ensure your bio is concise yet informative, highlighting your experience and approach. Set competitive rates that reflect your expertise in mediation. Incorporate client testimonials to build trust and credibility. Update your availability calendar regularly to inform potential clients when you are free. Use the platform's marketing tools to promote your services more effectively. Participate in forums and discussions to connect with peers and potential clients. Attend webinars offered by mediate.com to stay updated on best practices. Optimize your profile with keywords relevant to your mediation practice. Leverage social media channels to share your mediate.com profile. Regularly review and adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance metrics. Stay engaged with the community to grow your network and enhance your reputation. Follow up with clients promptly after mediation sessions for feedback. Incorporate the insights gained to continuously improve your services. By implementing these steps, you can effectively optimize your mediation services with mediate.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.